Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Hostinger's AI support assistant. So Hostinger's AI support assistant is designed to help users with quick solutions, troubleshooting, and general inquiries about their services. Here's how to access it and use it effectively. But before you do that, you need to buy a plan. And if you want to buy a plan, please or if you want to upgrade to premium, please go through the link in the description box right now, because that step is very essential to create your own website. Now, what you're gonna do if you want to use the AI assistant, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and step by step right here to automate your text with creation with AI, right? It says right here, during the onboarding process, you will land on the step automate your text creation with AI. Here's where to you begin. Insert your brand name, describe what you do, and then click continue, right? And you can find this feature by adding new WordPress website to your hosting plan. Okay, now if you want to install AI for an existing WordPress website, go ahead and navigate to the website section and then click manage next to the WordPress website in question, and find the tips to improve section on the main dashboard page, and then click on install AI assistant right here, right? If you have already existing a WordPress website domain. And then now what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to generate to use the AI assistant in the WordPress admin panel to generate content with AI assistant. Log in to your WordPress dashboard, right? You can just go ahead to a separate website and click on Hostinger in the top left, and then open the AI assistant tab right here. You gotta find it right here in this section, or you can find it right here, okay, in the AI assistant, right? And then select the preferred option of the following: content type, post or page pages, tone of voices, neutral, formal, friendly, etc., short or long. Okay, and once you get the result, you can customize keywords in the meta description right here, right? And these keywords will help you will help your article and website to be ranked higher in search engine, right? So scroll a little bit down right here. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you will see a word and a character count. If you're happy with the result, click on publish and publicize your post page right away. Otherwise, click on edit draft to review and proofread the text, right? And then make any preferred edits. And once you're done and satisfied with the result, just go ahead and publish and click publish right here at the bottom right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.